Menteri Ketenat Puli Puthi ke Sorkar rakam isang ma ulapan pau ya kajing sengokia halor kajing Duna Palat ki Samla na Rilum Garo Kiba pas bha hak Eksam Matrik ne ke secondary school leaving certificate hakini kisan snem. Habakran bagila pathai Khubor Menteri ulaong baka Sorkar kala shibun kisin jam bat kajing erap la kalong kajing penkela ya ka kot puli bat kajing te ya ki ying school bat kajing penthama ya baro ki ying school. Katkum kajing thu jong u kajing pas matrik ki Samla na kate kathan kaduna bha bat kam jupoi wat chaka sau % lada yakhen kulum hakini ki san snem baladan.
Look in the PGI and the UDI's ranking, there are some what you call the category they put in the infrastructure, what you call the outcome, learning outcome with the textbook and the syllabuses, because the learning outcome oriented textbook was just introduced this year only. So instead, because earlier the proper learning outcome was not there in the textbook that being used, so now we have introduced and dropout rate is I don't know, especially in the part of girls, the result, if you see the result of the SSLC examination last 5 years, it is just yet to cross the 40%. It is just maximum 37. This is alarming and very concern to us. And now we have identified the 2-3 district which is worse in performance. So we will be taking all measures to how to bring out the performance better. Mostly in Garo Hills, the southwest Garo Hills, east Garo Hills, north. I think all the Garo Hills district. The what you call, it's just 37th is the maximum in last 5 years. The SSLC. So imagine this what is happening in the present.